Hi guys, good morning. Happy last Sunday of the month. Yeah, if you're tuning in for the first time, my name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay, so you're tuning in for the first time. I'm a mom YouTuber based in Kaduna. Better wants to see. What do you want to see? Oh guys, today is Sunday.
Why are you going to carry and eat?
Yeah,
And go
wait.
to your shop.
Today is Sunday.
Why are you going to carry to your shop?
You want to follow me to shop? Want to follow me to shop? Want to follow me to my shop? Okay, tomorrow or next. Because people are on salad break. Monday, Tuesday. So, Monday or Tuesday, follow me to my shop.
Okay, ma.
On Monday. What else? Guys, I am making pepper soup today I'm making pepper soup and white rice. And here is my ingredients. This is... Ignore these guys. This is my pepper soup spice. Yeah, first of all, I'm going to be boiling the meat with a little bit of thyme. I'm using this tiger thyme. Some of these spices. Probably this one, ginger, onion, and garlic. Yeah, I'll be adding some of these spices. I will definitely be using no, and Mr. Chef Maggie, this one. Yeah, and I would like to carry you guys along. Here is my chopped onion. Yeah, here's my chopped onion. I'm going in with Mr. Chef seasoning and no.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah, yeah, yeah. 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지 기뻐할 너를 상상하며 근데 왜 이런 생각을
Let's go use that time.
When I wake up I feel cozy, yeah.
I'll go with onion, ginger, and garlic seasoning.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네 이런 기분 설명할 수
I'm going in with lassa beef seasoning. Obviously, this is the last one in the sachet. I'll be getting more from the market.
When I wake up I feel cozy.
Now I'm going in with onion.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come.
I'll also be using my dry scent leaf. So right now I'm going to stir it up. Then I'm going to allow and I'm going to cover and allow it to cook. I haven't added, so let's go in with some salt. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my pepper. This is cayenne pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and then yeah, that is basically it. Let's blend. So you guys, let's check on our pepper soup. Wow. Our pepper soup is done. It's time to add It's time to go in with other ingredients. I'll go in with more water. I'll go in with the pepper mix.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never.
Here is the soup spices. Mixed spices.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up.
So guys, here is my dry scent leaf, properly washed. Then I go in with it right now. So let's cover and cook for the last time. Yeah. Look guys, our pea soup is ready. I'm turning off the gas right now. Yeah. So guys, our food is ready. Rice and goat meat pepper soup. Chibeze said I should snap his, I should video his own. This is Bubu Bubu. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So this is Bubu own. This is my own. And these are fresh juice. This juice contain watermelon and pineapple juice. Yeah, so that's what we're having this afternoon. Come on, Kansi, bring Chibeze's cup.